So, sap season, what happened? Well, Eric, that is a massive, massive maple. This is 4 trunks on it. And then it has this beautiful rock, which is just, I don't know, it's just pretty, nature's pretty stunning. But 4 trunks, is it 4 or 3? No, this one is 3, but I could put multiple taps into this. I lost a big limb here. That came off of there. This is from a pileated woodpecker who's chopping this out here. I'm losing this maple. I don't know if you run across this in your yard. My maples go hollow as they get bigger and older. This has, it's kind of dark in there, but it's this giant chasm. There's, I can't talk, obviously. I mean, I think sugar maples, like a lot of trees, kind of hit a terminal age and then they start to fail. And I've got a couple of big ones here. Where's my other big one? Right there. It's starting to happen, unfortunately. You want to go in there? Go on, hop in. Go. Get in. You want to go in your tub? Or is it too cold? Hey, let's go. Come. They listen pretty good. To me, sap season is a signal of spring, actually. It's the trees starting to come back to life, starting to come out of dormancy. And if you're careful, you can take some of their sap and make some really nice maple syrup out of it. But this year, I kind of did an Eric thing. So it's up here. I did this. I did too much of this. Wood splitter, chainsaw, and a trailer. Not that trailer, a really big trailer. It's the trailer that I put the wood in to take to my buddy's house. And I wanted to move it. And all I did was this. All I tried to do was move this really heavy trailer, and I grabbed it like this and I pushed, and something in here went. Don't worry, it's a soft tissue muscle injury, but it has taken weeks to heal, and because of that, I can't lift sap buckets. I can't lift material, I can't lift wood. Heating pad, Advil have been really helpful, but I haven't been able to make sap this year. I was really looking forward to it. I wanted to make some videos and share them with you. So no sap season this year, I'm sorry. I was really psyched for it. Oh, hey, beautiful. I also take joy in simple things like this. I mean, yeah, we're not gonna make sap, but I do have my 2 best friends here, in addition to the camera operator. There'll be another sap season. Can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss? That'll make you happy. Do you want to keep in touch with me? I have an email newsletter I send out every week. It's pictures of the Labradors and my deep thoughts on the world. And then a couple of videos, hopefully. There's a sign up below. Maybe there's a sign up right on the screen here. Me, Andy, every week. Right there.